then we still have a bronze medal match tomorrow. What's the team's mindset heading to tomorrow?
Team's mindset going tomorrow, number one ngayon, kailangan makabalik kami ng hotel, makapagpahinga ng maayos. Kasi, syempre, ramdam na rin yung fatigue from all of the games. We've gone against Australia, pero bukas makalaban namin sila na napag-aaralan na rin nila kami. So, back to the drawing board kami. And hopefully, better yung passing namin ng defense tomorrow.
Gia, how proud are you lang dun sa fight na pinakita ng team, especially yung first set down kay 10-21 pero nakabuloy pa rin?
Well, sobrang proud ko talaga sa team. Wala akong ibang words for it. Kasi ramdam ko na lumalaban kahit dehado kami, kahit nakakapol kami, kahit mabilis kami napupunta ng Kazakhstan. Feel ko pa rin na gusto lumaban ng bawat isa sa amin, whether inside the court or sa bench namin. So, bukas kailangan mas higitan pa namin.
Gia, what can you say kay Ara? Naging revelation sa team mo kanina.
Si Ara kasi sobrang ganda nung pasok niya kanina. She added some height also sa offense namin. At the same time, she's just so energetic and so eager to play na kami kung nasa loob, natadala rin kami. So, ang ganda rin kasi nakikita namin na malalim din yung bench namin and bukas magagamit pa rin namin lahat.
Gia, it was a tough game for the Philippines, but definitely a lot of fight back, a lot of heart showed by the team. How big of a learning experience is this, especially for this young team? And what are key takeaways that you guys can bring to the bronze medal match tomorrow?
Actually, before the game started, before going here to the venue, we told the girls that we've already exceeded expectations. All that we ask from everyone is just to leave their best on the floor, leave everything on the floor regardless of the results. So that's what we did today. Nagkulang kami, but we know that we can learn better and perform better in the future.
We definitely saw that effort, Gia, but a lot of fans came out to support the team tonight, not to mention the millions watching the broadcast. How big of a boost is that to you and to the rest of the team, and what is your message to all of them?
To all our Filipino fans from here, all around the world, here in the venue, mas lalo na maraming salamat sa lahat ng suporta nyo. From the start until tomorrow, sana maramdaman namin yung pagmamahal nyo as we fight for the bronze medal tomorrow. We hope to see you here and maraming salamat talaga sa lahat.
Thank you, Gia, and congratulations to you and to the Alas Pilipinas. We will see you guys in the bronze medal match.
We prepare to play against them. They have a tough block, they pressure on the first two sets, but you can reverse in the beginning. What I like about our team, we have to talk about our team. They never give up any moment, and also we play for most of the times in the same level with them. I don't know, these guys are on the way to be much better than this one. It's a promise that they did to themselves.
What can you say about Ara Panigue? She played well tonight.
Well, it's not a surprise for me. Of course, the guys who's watching the games in repeat know that she had the potential, and she's not under pressure anymore to play any kind of competition. She's really comfortable. Of course, it's good. She's young. She takes some mistakes, but this happened only when the guys go there inside. So I'm really proud of her. She not even showed any hesitate to do any actions there inside.
What can you say about the PNPF wanting to appeal your contract and wanting extension for you to stay in the national team?
Well, in fact, it's unofficial. It's only IC, as you guys put there on the side. But we're already close to keep on talking because it just finished in 30. So what I have to do is work hard until the end of the contract. Of course, my desire, my wishes is keep on staying with these guys. Yeah. All the players here in Philippines, so there's a lot of potential. I want to be the one.
Kung ano po, pinakita ko lang po kung ano yung kaya ko and tiwala po sa sarili na sinasabi lagi ng mga artists na magtiwala lang po lagi sa sarili and sa ibang kasama po, especially po kay Ate Gia na bigyan ko talaga siya ng tiwala. And sa coaches din po na nagtitiwala din po sa akin na ipasok mo ako and always ready lang po yung sarili.
Personal ko lang ano yung magiging mindset nyo. Siyempre, masama yung talo pero tomorrow may laban pa ulit. Ano na lang yung papaunin nyo from this game para bukas?
Siguro siguro po itong game po yung paghuhugutan namin ngayon na na maging inspirasyon po sa amin na bumawi kami sa second game.
Para gano'n lang nakakalaki sa confidence mo kasi first set bound na bound kayo, ikaw talaga yung bumangon sa team, gano'n na nakakalakas yung loob mo?
Sobrang lakas na po ng loob na po sa sarili ko na ay pinasok ako, kailangan kong ibigay yung kaya kong gawin, and syempre pinagkatiwalaan mo ako, so ipapakita ko lang po talaga yung makakaya ko.
Ara, nung first set, nung gumagawa ka na si Bella, nag-tweet, ipakita mo daw na hinog ka na, ano lang sabi mo sa support ng mga ate mo sa inyo?
Siyempre po, thank you, nagpapasalamat po sa mga ates ko din po sa Enyo Lady Bulldogs po, kasi hindi po, ang mga nagagawa ko po dito, dahil din po sa kanila yon, kasi marami po silang mga advices and mga sinasabi sa akin na ganito gawin, ganyan. And thankful lang po talaga ako sa kanila.
Ano yung pinaka-natutunan mo siguro or best advice na nakuha mo sa mga teammates mo?
Yung pagtitiwala sa sarili, eagerness, and being humble inside the court po.